Hey everyone, welcome back to Nature Connection. Today, we are taking you on a very special journey. We are venturing deep into the heart of an ancient cave, a place steeped in legend and believed to hold the secret to youth and vitality. This cave is said to have been the meditation ground of the powerful Rishi Chyavana. As we explore its depths, let's delve into the fascinating story associated with this mystical place. The story goes back to the epic Mahabharata. In the Vanaparava, the book of the forest, it tells the tale of a king named Sharyati and his daughter Sukanya. King Sharyati, along with his daughter Sukanya and their attendants, found themselves camped near the ashram of the revered Rishi Chyavana. One day, Sukanya, while exploring the forest, stumbled upon a strange sight, a glowing anthill. Out of curiosity, she disturbed the anthill, unknowingly interrupting the rishi's deep meditation. As a consequence, a furious Chavan emerged, his body covered in anthills. Deeply apologetic, King Sharyati approached the rishi and offered his sincere apologies. Sukanya, overwhelmed with guilt, made a surprising decision. Sukanya chose to marry Rishi Chavan despite his aged appearance. She served him with unwavering devotion. One day, the Ashwins, Hindu twin gods associated with medicine and health and renowned for their knowledge of eternal youth, arrived at the ashram. They were astonished to see the contrast between the young Sukanya and the aged Chavan. Tempted by the prospect of youth and beauty, the twins urged Sukanya to leave Chavan. However, her unwavering devotion remained unshaken. Instead, she implored them to restore her husband's youth. Moved by her loyalty, the Ashwins prepared a special herbal paste. After consuming it, Chavan was miraculously restored to his youthful form. To test her devotion further, the twins took on identical youthful appearances. Yet, Sukanya, without hesitation, recognized her true love, Chavan. The Ashwins were pleased with Sukanya's devotion and blessed her. Sukanya asked them to teach her husband the process of making the medicinal paste to restore health of all humans. Ashwin Kumars granted her wish. This paste was called Chyawanprash. While the scientific validity of the legend remains debatable, the story reminds us of the power of devotion, the importance of respecting nature, and the enduring human search for health and well being. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the ancient cave and the legend of Chyawanprash. Until next time, stay connected with nature.